Hello, good people. Sandile here. The tile is on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. Today, we will be doing something very interesting. Before I get on to what we will be doing today, let me remind you, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video and other videos of mine on this channel, because if you do so, you're helping me to keep creating content on this channel, and you are also helping us reach our milestone of 500 subscribers. Right now, the last time I checked, we were sitting at 402, so we are very close to reaching that number. Please do subscribe, please do like, please do share, and please do comment. Much more appreciated if you share the video amongst your circle of people, your family members and the likes. Okay, what are we doing today? Today I'm going to share with you my little knowledge that I have when it comes to sugarcane. We'll be doing sugarcane. I bought 3 sugarcane sticks that were completely dry, sort of, I can say, dead, unconsumable because of the level of their dryness. But I knew that I can revive them and I can put them on the soil and grow them. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing today, and that's what I'll show you how to do. Let me turn this around. These are my 3 sugarcane sticks. As you can see, they're sitting on a bucket. Why are they sitting on a bucket? Because when I bought them, as you can see up here, the roots, you saw that it just broke because the roots were so dry that they were almost, if not completely, dead. So to revive these roots and to get these roots back to life and to get these nodes back to life, I had to dump this sugarcane, these 3 sticks of sugarcane, in the water and then leave them in the water for a couple of days. Now they have been in here for almost about 3 days, and I'll show you the difference on the roots. If you look at the bottom roots there, you can see at the edges that they're starting to turn white. They're starting to have some white coloring in them, which shows that now they are becoming alive. You know, they are reactivating, so that when I put them on the soil, they are good to go. But now, because these sugarcane sticks are so long, can't fit them all here, I'm going to show you something else that you can do to fast track the process and get them ready for planting. Okay, let's do that right now. Sun is about to set. Right, so because this sugarcane stick is this long, what I'll do, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 and boom, chop it. 1, 2, 3, well, 4 or 4 and whoop, and then this, like this, will be easier to put in the bucket and get them reactivated. Maybe this one, let's chop it again there, yeah, you know, and these are going to give me a hell of a lot of sugar canes that will be I'll be growing, you know, yeah, that I'll be growing. As you can see, if you look here, you will see that these roots, they're even stronger. They unlike these ones here. They are unlike these ones here that breaks easily. These ones have become a little bit more stronger and steady, and they're starting to regrow and come alive. So that's why it is important that we dip the whole thing in the water and let it root up. Once it's root up, then we will then put these guys on the ground, and once they are on the ground, they will start doing their own magic, and I will have a sugarcane plantation. Yeah, nah, not plantation, but I'll have sugarcane growing up here in my yard, you know. There we go. There we go. What you need, it's these nodes here. It's, can you see? Yeah, it's these nodes here, and you can see that they already like dried up or some sort like that. But this is where the actual new shoot, sugarcane shoot, will be coming from. They will be coming from these nodes here and going up. All here, where it looks like it has bumps and all that, that's where the roots will be coming from. So what I will do, excuse me, I'm going to take this whole lot like this, and I'm going to put it on the bucket, and I will leave it for another excuse me, for another 3 more days, maybe 4 days, and then after that I'll take it out, I'll put it on the soil, and we will wait and we will see what will happen. But trust me, I'll be taking you along the process with me across the whole thing until we see the end result. These sugarcane sticks, let me remind you, were completely dried up, completely dead. That's why we have to go through this process of reviving them, because I couldn't just plant them like this. They would, if I plant them like this on the soil, they will carry on deteriorating instead of getting revived and rooting and sprouting or producing shoots. So that's why I'm gonna dump them in the bucket and fill the bucket with water so that you can literally see them submerged. You know, I need to submerge them on the bucket. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get them submerged in there on the bucket. Right. Whew. Okay, so we take all of this, put it in there like that. I think I'll chop this again. Let me see. Yeah, I'll chop it here. Oh, in here. Yeah. You can see how bad it is. Look at this. You can't eat this. This is no longer good for consumption or anything like that, you know. So that's why we have to go through this process of reviving it. And of course I'll use my rainwater. Yes, boys.
Not letting us jump on the trampoline.
Speed. Okay, go tell him I said it's fine, you can jump on the trampoline at the garage. Go. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my rainwater from the tank for this, because it's much more better suited for this than the municipal water, which has been treated and has a lot of chlorine and whatever other chemicals that they put in there. But yeah, so I'm going to submerge these guys in here, and I'll leave them for like 3-4 days, and then after that they'll be ready and we can take them, put them on the soil, and we start growing a hell lot of sugar cane. Okay. Right, guys, that was about it. That's the video that I wanted to share with you today, which regarding sugarcane. This is how I do sugarcane, and like I said, I'll be taking you through the whole process so that you can see the result of each and every step. This is step number 1. If you get sugarcane or a sugarcane that's sort of like dried up or looks dead or anything like that, don't just take it and put it on the soil. Put it on water, soak it, let it establish the root, and then you put it on the soil, and then boom, there you've got your sugarcane, and your sugarcane will be growing, and you'll start enjoying your own sugarcane. Okay, Sandile here. The guy lives on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. I am out. Mdeni and Ngoba are busy jumping on the trampoline in the garage, so they are out as well. We'll take you later. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Out.